Mr. Joy worked in a well-known IT company. Every morning he goes to the office in his luxurious car. Joy gets his vehicle serviced on time from authorized service centers. But due to a lack of technical knowledge, he has to take out time separately to get the vehicle serviced.
One day he saw Smart Service Advisor's online advertisement. Immediately Mr. Joy contacted Smart Service Advisor. On the second day the specialized team of SSA team inspected Joy's vehicle. After that Mr. Joy sent his vehicle to the authorized workshop for service. After visiting the vehicle to the workshop, the service engineer got the estimate, additional estimate and bills. Instantly Joy inspected all the documents from the Smart Service Advisor team. Joy was very pleased with the service of the SSA team. He found that due to the low technical knowledge, a lot of money was being spent unnecessarily every year for servicing his vehicle. He realized that a lot of expense as well as time taken for servicing was reduced due to SSA team. If you also want to get a similar service, then definitely contact us. Our services. 1. We will technically check the estimates given to you during service or repair in an authorized workshop or local workshop. We will rectify the unnecessary amount by checking it. 2. During service, we will closely check the additional estimate given by the service center. We will give you advice about essential repairs in it. 3. We thoroughly validate the bills given by the service center against the service provided to you. 4. Workshop visit with customer for vehicle survey on customer demand. We will provide all these services to you only in $799 plus GST. Contact us on www.smartserviceadvisor.com or 8655139541.